Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, a registered Mysterium account, and the right app for your device. Download and open the installer. Run as admin on desktop devices. Once done, sign in using the credentials you created and accept permissions the app requests, because tunneling needs network access. Make sure to enable automatic updates to keep privacy patches current. If you chose a paid plan, verify billing details now, so service activation proceeds without interruption. Now you configure the connection. Pick a server region or let Auto choose the fastest route. This affects speed and geolocation. Choose a protocol, WireGuard for performance, OpenVPN for compatibility, and enable DNS leak protection plus the kill switch to block traffic if the VPN drops. Once set, fine-tune split tunneling so only chosen apps use the VPN, and set bandwidth limits if you share a connection. These choices balance privacy, speed, and app behavior for your use case. Finish by connecting and verifying. Visit an IP check and run a DNS leak test to confirm your traffic is encrypted and routed through Mysterium. If the connection fails, restart the app, switch servers, or toggle the protocol. These quick swaps resolve most connectivity problems. Make sure your firewall or router isn't blocking VPN traffic and allow the app through. If problems persist, gather logs and contact support. Once stable, enable Auto Connect so you stay protected without manual steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.